everybody, and welcome to another vlog. So for today, I am going to a workout with Victor, and it is Snowstorm outside. I'm just getting these like undergarments. Not really, it's not really garments, but that keeps your body warm because it is a freaking snowstorm. I'm wearing a lot of clothes. This is the underclothing that I talked to you about because my little brother doesn't have any, and he has actually been very good and it has already trained today. But we have 1 hour workout. We'll see how much I will film during that workout, because I did mention in my healthy lifestyle video, if you haven't seen it, check it out later, that I did mention that I was going to vlog a workout vlog with Victor. And I haven't talked to him about this, so I think I don't have to do that. And of course, there's a lot of other people who are in this workout, and it has to be okay for them that I film a little bit. I'm just, look, so everything is turned off. But it has to be okay for them. So that's why. We'll see how much I'll film. But I will be working out with Victor. And then today is Lurje, and yesterday was also the first day of competition. Since I'm not really an active synchronized skater anymore, I am not participating in Lurje. Lurje is a competition every year that is held by Sweden, and team from all around the world is coming and I can't talk. Teams from all around the world are coming here to compete in Lurje against each other. It's an international competition. I love it every year because you get to meet so many people from all around the world that shares the same interests as you do. Anyway, so the second day is today, and I have actually a ticket to go to the free program. So I am heading there after this workout. Anyway, I have to pack and see that I have everything with me. This is my backpack. There's a lot of things you need to bring with you, like gloves. Oh yeah, water bottle. I do have a water bottle, don't I? A water bottle, maybe a snack afterwards. Maybe I should do like what's in my gym kind of bag. We'll see. Anyway, so I will probably see you outside. Gosh, it's snowing so much. Oh my, it feels like you're in a snow globe. That's how much it's snowing. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Anyway, since it is snowing that much, I don't know how much I will film, because I also saw in the group that I thought we were only gonna be 3, but apparently gonna be more than 7 today. Therefore, there's going to be more faces that might not want to be part of this video. So I think it's just going to be time lapses, probably. And also because I don't have a GoPro. I've been meaning to buy one, because my GoPro that I'm having right now, I can't connect it to the Wi-Fi, so I can't convert any pictures or any videos to my computer or my phone. So a lot of my footage, I can't use them. They're just on my GoPro. And I've had that GoPro for many years now, so I think it's time for me to buy a new one. That's on my list of buying things. But I think, as I said, I think there's gonna be a lot of time lapses. I don't think the snow is that great for my camera right now, but look at this winter wonderland. My ice bucks with spikes underneath, so I don't fall whenever I'm running. Because we all know how clumsy I am, and honestly, I have actually been really clumsy in these shoes as well. There you see it. Those are my ice bug shoes that are made for ice. That are made for what do you call it? Very slippery ground and snowing and mud and everything. So these are really good. I really recommend them. Not sponsor or anything. That's just a preference. But yeah, I'm excited to work out today. I love snow. It's very magical when it snows. So I'm really excited to see what the workout is today. And I honestly don't mind snow. I'm more against rain than snow, so I'm really happy. Yeah, brah. I can't do that. Jävlar. Look at me, I know how to do it. Look at me, I know how to do it.
Look at me, I know how to do.
I don't even have energy to eat my banana. How was it?
Good. Very, very good.
Liam, how you feeling?
Tired.
It was really hard, but it was hard to run because it was so much snow. So I don't know. You sort of sinked in. It was almost like 10 centimeters of snow. It was so hard to run today. I am exhausted. After food, I can't talk. I don't have the energy to talk. After food, banana. Heading home, shower, heading out again. You hear how quiet it is in this car? It's because everybody's so tired. Good job. Bye bye, Liam.
Kan du låsa upp för mig, mamma? Ja.
Bye bye. I'm dropping him off at the ice rink. And I'm going to another ice rink. This family is all about ice rinks, different ones. Anyway, re-energized after the very exhausted, very exhausted workout. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Can you hear that? It's so snowy that the car won't drive. Go forward. Anyway, heading there to Frölunda Borg. We're for the international competition that's happening right now. I think the novice have started, but the juniors and the seniors are the ones I really want to see. Team Spirit is skating. Yay, go for that. Anyway, heading there, meeting up a friend because he has my ticket. Good about that. We have had food now. We have eaten, re-energized, even showered and everything. Put up some makeup, feel good. And yeah, just gonna enjoy our day by the ice rink. I'm wearing this really like thick knit sweater from H&M. Really comfortable. Perfect, but it is still snowing outside. It's insane. She's been complaining about it all day.
I hate the snow.
What's on it?
Hate the snow.
She hated
The snow.
She hates
that shit.
yeah, because this city ain't that great at, you know, getting the snow away, but this path is really good. But I mean, my mother likes the snow, get her wrong, don't misunderstand her, but she doesn't like it because when you're a driver and you drive to places, it's so hard for the car to it's just so hard to drive with the car. That's the problem with snow. So that's why she doesn't really like it. Yep. Anyway, I'm gonna head out to the ice rink. Jedda, who you've seen, or Wilma, who you've seen in my Merry Christmas video. She's there, so I'm very excited to see her again. I haven't seen her since before Christmas, actually. That's a long time ago. Anyway, see you at the ice rink. Hello, look who I'm with. Yay! So we're by the ice rink right now and we're waiting for, it's reserved free. Yeah. Is this the second group?
Yeah.
Okay, second group in the junior class. And Team Spirit is up soon.
Yeah.
So excited. So we'll see. Cross our fingers for them that they skate really, really good.
They're gonna do amazing.
Yeah. But I'm so excited. What kind of senior teams are there? Oh, I want to see Roquettes.
Yeah.
Haydenets as well.
Yeah, in Paradise.
And Paradise.
Yeah.
Cannot forget about that. But we're waiting now.
Yeah.
So nice to see you. Yay! I'm taking a little stroll, and it's because it's still snowing, as you can see. And I love snow, as I said before in the beginning of this video, that I think is very magical and it's so nice. It's just something very lovable with snow when it comes to snow. And it is very cozy to just stroll around in this, like, in the snow. Like, look how much snow it is. Okay, how many snow word? How many times did I say the word snow in this video? Anyway, a very successful competition. Spirit, they skated really clean. It was really good, a good job of them, and so many other teams that were just amazing on the ice. I loved Haydenet's free program, which was The Greatest Showman, which is my absolute favorite soundtrack. And Roquettes was amazing. Oh my gosh, they skated to like radio sound, something like that. Look at how much snow this is. Look, I'm sinking in. Jeez. Oh my god. Windy. But yeah, I loved Roquettes' free program and also loved Haydenet's. They were just amazing. And there was some other program that was insanely good. It was like really cool elements and stuff like that. I can't really remember, but some other, it was either junior or the senior category, but it was a really good and successful competition. I met so many people. Like I said, I don't even know. Why am I out of breath? I don't know if I've said it in a video or if I've ever mentioned it, but I have said it a lot to my friends. But whenever you're like at a synchronized sort of event, you meet so many people, and it's such a reunion, and I love it because you meet friends from the other country. I have friends in Switzerland, for example, and I got to see them, which was so nice. I mean, how often I only get to see them in competitions, and I have friends in the US. They weren't here though today on this competition, which was unfortunate, but I did get to meet a lot of people that I don't really get to meet that often. So that is always nice, and it's always, you know, it's always nice to get a little update on like what's going on, what they're doing, and stuff like that. So I'm heading home. So I'm heading to the bus station. I'm walking upwards. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoy it, that you enjoyed this one and the concept of it and the little magic of the snow. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Hit subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, comment down below if you liked this, if you like snow in winter or not. What happened to my voice? What the? But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.